Welcome to the land of the shining mountains. Montana is located in the Mountain West subregion of the western side of the United States. The outstanding land area is bordered by Wyoming to the south, Idaho to the west, North and South Dakota to the east, and the famous Canadian provinces of Alberta, British Columbia, and Saskatchewan bordered to the north. Montana has several unofficial nicknames, including Big Sky Country, Land of the Shining Mountains, the Last Best Place, and the Treasure State. From glacial lakes and towering mountains to historical mining towns, Montana offers distinctive flavors. The Big Sky Country is home to millions of acres of national forested lands, wilderness areas, wide open spaces, and modern cities. So come join us. This is Scenic Hunter's delightful journey to visit Montana. Number 10. Livingston. An old railroad town, Livingston has been given new life by the arts. It is surrounded by 4 magnificent mountain ranges and nestled beside the spectacular Yellowstone River. Because of its ideal location midway between Bozeman and Billings, it is a great home base for excursions to Yellowstone National Park, which is only 55 miles away. Laying on the Yellowstone River's banks, surrounded by magnificent mountains, Livingston offers a diverse selection of stores, museums, golf courses, galleries, live performances of music and theater, as well as distinctive eateries to suit every preference. Explore Park County to see stunning ranges, enjoyable and busy ranches, and romance under the stars. This Old West town is today defined by restaurants, art galleries, and a vibrant cultural scene, along with easy access to fly fishing, hiking, and hot springs. It's a popular rest point on trips to Yellowstone and a fun weekend getaway from Bozeman, which is 25 miles to the west. A rising number of former and current celebrities also call the town their primary or secondary residence. Number 9. Bighorn Canyon. Bighorn Canyon is the perfect location to spend time relaxing and resting, and you can go camping, hiking, or horseback riding there. The canyon features a diverse landscape of high deserts, lakes, wetlands, dramatic canyons, broad valleys, and an upland prairie. In Fort Smith, Montana, and close to Lavelle, Wyoming, there are 2 visitor centers as well as other built facilities. The Afterbay Lake, which is located beneath the Yellowtail Dam, is a nice place to go trout fishing and observe ducks, geese, and other wildlife. Below the Afterbay Dam, the Bighorn River offers world-class trout fishing. A hidden gem just waiting to be found in the Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area. It offers stunning scenery, a wide variety of species, and a wealth of outdoor activity options like boating, fishing, ice fishing, camping, and hiking. Few other national park sites can provide visitors with the sense of solitude, serenity, and beauty as Bighorn Canyon can. Number 8. Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park. The first and most well-known state park in Montana, Lewis and Clark Caverns, features one of the Northwest's most magnificent limestone caverns. These breathtaking caves, which are lit by electricity and are completely safe to explore, are filled with stalactites, stalagmites, columns, and helicities and are naturally air-conditioned. An above-ground self-guided nature walk offers chances to understand the surrounding environment. Although the park is open all year round, from May 1st to September 30th only guided tours are conducted daily. A significant amount of ground is being covered on guided tours of the caves, and you will be taken 600 steps down until the air feels significantly cooler. In addition to the caves, which are open all year long, the state park provides opportunities for hiking, picturesque picnicking, canoeing, and wildlife viewing. Number 7. Big Sky. Big Sky is a nature lover's paradise. It is located close to Yellowstone Park, high in the Gallatin National Forest, and is dominated by Lone Mountain. This alpine resort spans from the banks of the Gallatin River, which flows through a verdant alpine valley, all the way to the summit of Lone Peak, a rocky spire standing more than 3,400 meters above sea level. A vacation in Big Sky, Montana is all about adventure. That's because Big Sky isn't just a destination, it's an attraction in itself. Big Sky satisfies the adventurous spirit whether you visit for the biggest skiing in America in the winter or for thrill-seeking hiking, mountain biking, fly fishing, golfing, ziplining, and scenic lift rides in the warmer months. The surrounding landscape and trails give fantastic opportunities for biking, snowshoeing, horseback riding, or snowmobiling getaways, while the Gallatin River thrills the daring rafter. Number 6. Helena. The state's capital, Helena, which serves as a hub in the Gold West country, is where many people begin their journeys in Montana. The Montana State Capitol Building, which is available for guided tours 7 days a week, is the city's key attraction. You should also check out the Missouri River's Gates of the Mountains, a group of cliffs that open out to the river and were given their name by famed explorers Lewis and Clark. In addition, Helena is the location of Reeder's Alley, a former mining zone, the exquisitely carved Great Northern Carousel, and the old fire tower from the 19th century. The city's iconic background is Mount Helena, and the park with that name offers fantastic hiking paths and breathtaking views just minutes from the center of town. Families seeking places to visit in Helena should visit the Exploration Works Plaza, which is home to a fascinating scientific museum and the Great Northern Carousel right next door. Number 5. Flathead Lake. Flathead Lake is a magnificent body of water located in northwest Montana. It has more than 180 miles of shoreline, making it one of the biggest lakes in the American West outside of Alaska. Even without stopping at the seasonal roadside cherry stands, it takes at least 45 minutes to drive the entire length of the lake. The most popular activities at Flathead Lake include boating and interacting with the water. The water's flat surface and ideal fishing opportunities are well known. Along the shoreline are numerous boat ramps and public access spots, including various Flathead Lake State Park units. The aptly called Wild Horse Island is one of Flathead Lake State Park's more daring sections. This largest island in the lake, which is only reachable by boat, is still home to feral horses. Ferries, kayak rentals, and powerboat rentals are available in the areas surrounding Wild Horse Island on the west shore of the lake. Number 4. Missoula. Missoula, also known as the Garden City, is located in the northern Rockies where 5 valleys converge and is known for its dense tree cover and beautiful green surroundings. Missoula is a hub for the arts, healthcare, shopping, and education. The University of Montana is situated on the banks of the Clark Fork River, near the foot of Mount Sentinel. The sprawling University of Montana campus is located in Missoula, the second largest city in Montana. You can still see the old, preserved railroad stations scattered throughout Missoula, which formerly served as a major rail transport hub. Enthusiasts may also wish to visit the historic Roxy Theater, Missoula Art Museum, and Caras Park Carousel. You may also try rafting down the Clark Fork River, which flows through the heart of Missoula and is a popular recreation area, or taking a stroll along the seaside Kim Williams Trail. Number 3. West Yellowstone. In West Yellowstone, spring is a season of renewal and change that brings wildlife newborns, bear sightings, and picturesque landscapes to photograph. Visitors have unlimited access to explore and have fun in the beauty of the high country during the summer. You can go whitewater rafting, hiking in pristine wilderness, fishing in world-class trout streams, experiencing authentic Western horseback riding, or mountain biking on hundreds of miles of single-track and Forest Service roads. The yearly elk mating season in the fall provides breathtaking landscapes as well as the spooky, echoing bugles of enormous bull elk competing for their harems. With 143 inches of snow falling on average each year throughout the winter, cross-country skiing, ice fishing, sled dog trips, and many more activities are all possible. As the sole daily winter access to the park, West Yellowstone offers snow coach or snowmobile rides into Yellowstone National Park. West Yellowstone is a year-round outdoor playground. Number 2. Bozeman. Bozeman, located in southwest Montana, is one of the most visited cities in Montana due to its dual role as a university city and as the gateway to Yellowstone National Park. The Custer-Gallatin National Forest and Bridger Bowl ski area provide a picturesque background for this charming western town, which offers traditional Montana adventures all over the year. This ease of access to wild environments makes Bozeman a hot spot for hiking, fishing, and skiing. The Gallatin River runs near Bozeman and provides opportunities for swimming, fishing, and even kayaking, or you may also stay active by walking between the various pubs and breweries located in downtown Bozeman's Bermuda Triangle. Bozeman is known for its natural beauty, but it also places a strong emphasis on its culture, history, and arts. The Pioneer Museum, the Museum of the Rockies, the Emerson Center for Arts and Culture, and the surprising but amazing American Computer Museum are great places to start your tour to the city. Number 1. Glacier National Park. Glacier National Park is located in the northwest region of Montana and borders Alberta and British Columbia. It is well known as the crown of the continent ecosystem with over 16,000 square miles of pristine wilderness and shares its title with the Waterston Lakes National Park in southern Alberta, Canada. You can explore unique wildlife species in this vast natural paradise, including rare and endangered animals like grizzly bears and the Canadian lynx, as well as mountain goats and bighorn sheep. This rocky mountain region has been transformed into a surreal alpine landscape with U-shaped valleys, ice-cold lakes, and picturesque mountain peaks by combining heavy snowfalls and centuries-old glaciers. The Going to the Sun Road, which runs 50 miles through Glacier and connects several of the park's most spectacular and popular attractions, is the primary route for tourists. For an up-close and personal experience, you can explore it on foot by getting outside on the hundreds of miles of hiking trails. We do hope you enjoyed our journey to the last best place. Find us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Visit www.scenichunter.com for more details. Don't forget to subscribe to Scenic Hunter for another exciting adventurous journey. Until then, it's goodbye from us.